ANTA C202 6th generation. The marathon racer, refined. When the gun goes off on race day, you need a shoe that can keep up with every surge, every stride, every push to the finish line. The ANTA C202 6th generation marathon racing shoe has been crafted with one mission in mind: to deliver speed, stability, and comfort in perfect balance. At its heart lies a powerful synergy between cushioning and propulsion. The full-length NITROEDGE midsole delivers a feather-light feel underfoot with a lively, responsive rebound. Each step feels fast, fluid, and efficient, engineered to give you that extra energy return when the race starts to test your limits. But unlike foams that break down quickly, NITROEDGE is built to last, maintaining performance across both race day and the miles of training leading up to it. Embedded within this midsole is a redesigned carbon fiber plate, sculpted with precision for a more dynamic toe-off. The plate not only propels you forward but also reinforces stability through the forefoot, so every stride feels snappy yet controlled. It's aggressive enough to deliver that racing edge, but forgiving enough to remain accessible, even for runners who are new to plated shoes. Moving upward, the shoe's AWEB upper system has been upgraded with advanced XIAN FIBER technology. This innovation produces an upper that's lightweight and breathable, yet remarkably secure. It adapts to the natural shape of your foot, locking you in during high-speed efforts without restricting your stride. The result is a fit that's race-ready but comfortable enough to carry you through the grind of a full marathon. Beneath it all, the Grip Pro outsole keeps you connected to the ground with confidence. Micro-textured for traction and carefully engineered for grip, this outsole performs across a variety of surfaces, even in wet conditions. Combined with generous coverage for durability, the outsole ensures that the C202 6th isn't just a one-and-done racer. It's built to perform across multiple races and training cycles. What sets the C202 6th apart is its versatility. Some carbon-plated racers are extreme, fast but difficult to tame. The C202 6th finds the sweet spot. Aggressive enough for seasoned racers chasing PRs, yet approachable enough for runners looking to step into carbon-plated performance for the first time. It's the shoe that adapts to you, not the other way around. Whether you're chasing a personal best in your next marathon, looking for a shoe that makes race pace feel easier, or simply wanting a reliable, lightweight, and propulsive ride, the ANTA C202 6th generation is a racing shoe you can count on. Fast, stable, and ready when you are. Lace up, toe the line, and let the C202 6th take you farther, faster.